of solution. Concentration of solution is amount of solute present in given amount of solution, and concentration of solution is always in percentage. There are three ways to represent concentration of solution. First one is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Second is mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Mass is measured in grams or kilograms, but volume is measured in milliliters or liters. Third is volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Now, first numerical is a solution contain 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate concentration of solution. Now we are given mass of solute. Solute is in less quantity, so common salt is solute, it is 40 gram. Mass of solvent, water is a solvent here, it is 320 gram. And concentration of solution, this is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. Now here 40 is mass of solute, 40 plus 320. Why I am adding 320 in 40? Because it is mass of solution, not solvent. It is mass of solution. So solvent plus solute is solution. So 440 upon, and it will become 360 into 100. Cancel it. 10 4 ja 40, 9 4 ja 36, 90 by 4, not 90, 100 by 4. 100 by 9 and 100 by 9 is 11.1%. 11 by 1% is the concentration of the solution. Second numerical. A solution contain 25 milliliter of milk in 75 milliliter of water. Calculate concentration of solution. Now here both are volume. So volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute is 25. 25 plus 75. 75 is solvent, mass of the volume of solvent, and I am adding 25, that is volume of solute in it to make it volume of solution. So 25 upon 100 into 100 is equal to 25% is the concentration of the solution. Now look at this third numerical. To make a saturated solution of 125 gram, by mass 25 gram of sugar is added in it. Now here what is given? Solute, mass of solute is given. Mass of solute is 25 gram and 125 gram is solution given. Mass of solution is 125 gram. So concentration of solution is equal to 25 upon 125 into 100. 25 5 ja 5, 20 ja 20% is the concentration of solution.